Looks like it wants to rain. There's almost done with that house over there too. Anyway, it's Thursday, almost Friday. Can you believe it's almost Friday already? Feels like just yesterday was Monday, was Memorial Day, but what else is going on? Let's see. I mean, they might be doing some digging here. Looks like they got a gas line flag in there. Anyway, it's Thursday, almost into the week already. It's gonna be a quick weekend, and then Jeffrey's off to summer school. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's going to rain. I haven't checked the radar yet, but I heard the weather radio going off probably 10 minutes ago out by Holdridge and everything. They're getting some hail and everything. So not a big weather threat today, but keep your car windows rolled up this afternoon. Okay, well, so much for going for a little jog around the neighborhood. It's raining and almost pouring. At least we're not getting the worst of it. The worst of it's out in Hastings, Grand Island, and by Holdridge as well. It's getting kind of noisy out here, though. Well, at least it isn't snow. Hey, Birdie. You stuck? Hop, 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 hop. You?
And the Mystery Lane.
Mystery Lane is what? The bowling alley?
Mystery Lane at the Great Guys.
Well, you don't want to use... Oh. What did you do? Uh-oh. Come on, coward. Uh-oh. What are you going to do? You going to get a taxi? Okay. Right off. There you go. What game are we playing? Ball, yeah?
Yeah, the BNL.
Well.
What's that? In the cup? In the cup? And there's a robot.
He is on the train. Look for...
It's a train station.
Yeah, you do the train taking a walk?
That's on the train station.
Okay.
This
It's what? Seven o'clock at night. Now the sun wants to come out. It's been cloudy and raining all freaking day, and now it just wants to come out just before sunset. Somebody having fun? You got the mini bike. Oh, that's nice. Okay. That's not street legal. Oh, well, front here, this bird just isn't moving. This is the ballsiest bird. What? Come over here to the front door. Don't you run off just yet. Okay. This bird is sitting on our porch shitting. And closer. There you go. You're all puffy. You're all puffy. What a mess you made down there, dang it.